Hey guys, Craig here from out there touring. Just out at the Waddingans again at the Pines. And I thought I'd do a quick review on the King's 270 freestanding awning. So I've had it fitted probably for about 7-8 months now, and I just want to run you through a few of the likes and dislikes. Right, let's just set it up. It's nice and easy to set up, there's no issues with that. Now, the first dislike. It hasn't rained for 2 or 3 nights now, and I haven't had this out for a week or so. And it was dry when I sealed it up. We got water inside the canvas bag. Now I can pretty much guarantee it's not from where I've done the bolts. I sealed them, I used Sikaflex. So I believe that it leaks from the stitching on the ends of the bags. So it's easy to set up. A couple of Velcro straps. I always leave my locking strap on there so I don't lose it. And you just pull it out. Okay, so that's how easy it is to set up. 30 seconds, 40 seconds. Let's just run through some of the likes. Obviously the first one, how easy it is to set up. Takes no time, anybody can do it. The build of it, I'm actually really happy with how strong the brackets are. The actual structure isn't flimsy. I haven't got it tied off fully around the other side, but the framework of it is really secure. It seems to be built really well. The cost, they're coming down all the time. I was satisfied when I purchased this, and that was when they first come out. Now they're a couple $100 cheaper. You can't complain about that. I've had it out in all sorts of wind conditions. You'll see a video, the Hunter Valley wine country. It was horrendous that night. The wind really picked up, came in really bad. I didn't have this fastened or fixed down in any way. It was just the way I've got it now, and it held up a treat. What I don't like about it, the bag does leak. Go onto all the reviews, you'll find everybody's dropping the same comment. The bag leaks. No matter how well you seal around your bolt holes, I don't think it's there. As I said, I think it's actually in the end stitching of the bag where the bag meets each other and stitches around. It's not sealed there. I'm going to try maybe the Sikaflex in that canvas joint, see if that makes a difference. You will need, especially if it's been after rain at home, to open it up at home and allow it to air out. Otherwise, I think you will get mold in there. So that's one thing to be aware of. Whether you've taken it away on a trip or whether it's just sitting at home, make sure you allow it to dry out at home. Second thing I'm not really sold on is the actual colour of the fabric. It's a very light grey, and it does show up dirt marks everywhere. After a couple of weeks, you got leaves dropping on it. other stuff, it does discolour a little bit. It does stain. It would have been much better if Kings had made it out of a darker fabric to try to minimise that. Just try to show you some of the discoloration. I'm not sure if the So as far as the locking strap goes, I'm not 100% sold on it. That's moving, it's not actually locked in. It does basically a job, but there are better straps out there. So to keep the strap tensioned, I actually tie it off at another point. So I've actually tied it off properly around the other side, and you can see how taut, how supported the actual awning is. I'm really happy with that. Now that movement you see is actually my whole truck. So the bracket itself has got no flex in it. It's very secure. And as I said, I think it's really well built. Righto, in regards to pack up, again, probably takes about a minute. Quickly just run through that now. As I said, I leave my tensioning strap in there. Just roll it up. Righto guys, that's it for this video. As I said, just a quick, simple review of the 270 awning. My likes and dislikes, they sort of balance each other out. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed this one. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe, hit that little notification bell. It'll let you know there's another video coming out. Thanks guys, travel safely.